What's going on, folks? This is Edgar. I'm back at it again with another video here for you all. I picked up what is most likely going to be my sneaker of the summer, but I just love the color and I'm curious to see what you all have to say about them. Unboxing here. This came in today. I'm super hyped, so let's just see. Let us see what's in the box. Onitsuka Tiger. Okay, I have been trying to get these for quite some time, and it literally said Mexico 66. These shipped from Asia, but they are a legit pair. So I double checked on that, and ooh, wow. I mean, they actually look hella fire. In terms of style, you know, rocking these with just like an all black fit would just be so dope. And then another thing too, maybe like a white shirt, black pants, throw these on, and just like a dope jacket. So yeah, so these are probably gonna be my shoes that I will most likely wear this summer, and I'm curious to see what the feedback is going to be about these. So Mexico 66, and I'll do a little review once I get a chance to wear these a few times and compare them. I'll do a little comparison between these and the Sambas, but I really just wanted to just shoot a little quick video and show you all my new shoe of the month. Okay, so what do you all think about these? Would you wear them? Do you like them? I love the slim profile anyway, and the quality. Some people say these are better than the Sambas, but I think time will tell. And they're definitely like, they give off a little old school vibe. I love this little tab back here that says Tiger. I love the color. And yeah, I'll see how these are gonna hold up with time. But definitely in terms of style, they're super straightforward, super classy. In all honesty, these are my size, but for some reason on hand, they just kind of feel, they feel a little big. Not big, but like they feel long. I tried them on, and I have to say that they do fit a little big. So out the gate, I think definitely I should have paid a little closer attention. I could have gotten away with wearing a 13. Now I'm not saying that I won't wear these, and I'm definitely not going to return them. Yeah, I'll wear them as is. They might fit a little big, but I think I'll just wear some slightly thicker socks, which should honestly do the trick anyway. But they're actually pretty comfortable. How do they compare to the Sambas? That'll be on another video. Anyway, you know, shoot me some likes, comments, subscribe if you like what you see. I'd love to hear the feedback. What do you all think about these? Would you wear these or would you not wear these? Thoughts? Shoot me some thoughts in the comments, okay? This is Edgar again. Thank you for watching. I'm out.